Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect MEXC to Tradingview. And if you want to do this, we can just do this on the MEXC website. So right now, make sure that you created your account, verified your account. And then right now, if you go to spot trading right there, you will see this page right here. What we need to do right now is quite simple because we are having here our chart, and if you want to change right here the symbol by searching here for the symbol, there's nothing that will change right here. But if you want to connect it to Tradingview, just click right here on Tradingview, and now we are using the Tradingview chart right here, if you can see, and now we can start trading right here with our Tradingview view. But on our MEXC account. So this is what you need to know, and this is exactly how you can connect your MEXC to Tradingview just in MEXC itself. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.